The AMS, Automatic Material System. If you buy the X1C, get the combo with the AMS. It's not just for multicolor prints, it's for laziness. I keep PLA, PETG, and support material loaded simultaneously. When a spool runs out, it can automatically switch to a backup spool. The catch, it hates cardboard spools, like brands like Overture or Polymaker. The rollers slip or cardboard dust gums up the gears. You'll find yourself wrapping spool edges in electrical tape or printing plastic adapter rings, a primitive fix for such a high-tech machine. LiDAR and AI detection. The printer uses a LiDAR sensor to scan the first layer and calibrate flow. In practice, this is 90% effective. It has saved me from a few failed prints by pausing when it detected a blob or spaghetti. However, it occasionally throws false positives on textured PEI plates, forcing you to resume the print manually. It's cool tech, but don't trust it blindly. The poop chute. To change colors, the printer cuts the filament, purges the old color, and wipes the nozzle. It creates little nuggets of waste plastic that shoot out the back. For a multicolor model, you can end up with more waste than actual product. It is shocking the first time you see the pile of plastic poop behind your desk.